It's a great question. Great question. People overthink it because they are so in the zone about algebra. They just need to do algebra all the time. Always algebra, 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 algebra. On my SATs, I'm always thinking about ways to avoid algebra. And one of the best strategies to do that is plug points into equations. Right? This is a strategy that works on all sorts of questions. It really just requires two things: equations and points. The choices here are equations. The question gives us points. Don't ask any more questions. Just do what I've been telling you, right? Plug points into equations. That's why the strategy does not have a clever name. It's not clever. It is obvious. Do what the strategy says. And which point should we choose? We should be lazy. Let's choose the lazier point, 0, 1. If we plug that in, it's going to mean putting in 0 for x and seeing if we get 1 for y. So in this case, we'd have 2 times 0 plus 3. Well, 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3, which is not 1. 2 times 0 plus 4 is 4, which is not 1. 3 halves times 0 plus 3 is 3. The fraction doesn't matter, it goes away. It's not 1. And no surprises, 3 halves times 0 plus 1 is 1. Done. What'd that take, 30 seconds? Good example of how if you turn that dial in your brain, if you flip that switch so that it's not always pointed to the algebra, and you instead flip it so it points towards SAT strategies, and that becomes your default mode, you're going to get a lot of questions right faster because you think in terms of strategies and not in terms of the kind of stuff you learn in school. Your teacher in math class in school would not like what we just did. I don't care. We got the points, we got them fast, and I have no doubt that we did it right. And so use the SAT strategies on the SAT.